Hello everyone, welcome to Teachers Help Board. At the end of this session, click on the above link in the description where a short quiz is given. You can answer the question and click submit to view your score. Hello children, today we will be learning a new lesson in history. Sources of history. Students, can you tell me what is history? Yes, history is the study of our past. Students, we studied ancient Indian history last year. This year, we are going to study the medieval period of Indian history. Broadly, the period from the 9th century CE till the end of the 18th century CE is considered to be the medieval period of Indian history. In this lesson, we are going to study the sources of medieval history. History gives us a chronological, scientific, and systematic account of past events. So, students, there are four important factors in history: individuals, society, place, and time. History is based on authentic evidence or proof. These proofs are known as the sources of history. So, there are three sources of history: material source, written source, and oral source. Now, we will see each type of source in detail. Children, now we will learn about material source. Material source includes items with physical substances. Forts have an important place among material source. Some major types of forts are hill forts, forest forts, sea forts, and forts on the plains. Even monuments include samadhis, graves, virgala, and buildings include palaces, ministerial mansions, queen's quarters, and also the houses of common people. The coins made by different rulers using metals like gold, silver, copper are important sources of history. From these coins, we learn about the rulers, their period, governance, religious ideas. Rashtrakuta, Chola, and Yadav kings have been found. Inscriptions carved on sheets of copper are known as copper plates. Royal edicts, verdicts, etc. are inscribed on copper plates. Now we will learn about written source. Written source are in the form of written text. Written source of history include inscription carves on temple walls, walls of rock-cut caves and rocks, inscription on copper plates, pots, bricks, and on writing sheets made from palm leaves and birch bark, etc. We learn about significant historical events in the medieval period from sources like the writing styles of scripts like Devanagari, Arabic, Persian, Moji, etc., as also from the varieties of different languages, Virgia Patris, religious manuscripts, treatises, edicts, decrees, biographies, paintings, etc. We can gather information about the food items, attire conventions, and rules of conduct of the people, festivals, and about people's life, etc. From these sources of these type are called written source of history. During this period, travelers from other countries came to India. Bakar is a type of chronicle that originated in Maharashtra. Chronicles helps in understanding aspects like the contemporary political happenings, linguistic transaction, cultural life, social conditions, etc. Many of the chronicles in Marathi were written many years after the events had occurred. Now we will learn about oral sources. We understand various aspects of folk, like through folk literature, traditionally passed on from generation to generation. Some examples are ovis, folk songs, povadas, folk tales, legends, and myths. Such types of sources are called oral sources of history. Hello viewers, if you like this video, press like button. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. By doing this, we get motivation. Keep supporting us. Thank you.